Hey, 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 Rumbidzai Angelica, my lioness, it's your time to shine. Let the beat roll in like spring, fresh, bold, and full of life. You sprung in like springtime, a blossom in bloom, a niece, a sister lighting every room. So intelligent, respectful, strong, with a heart full of wisdom and a love lifelong. Your surname speaks, Lioness, bold, but you walk in humility, never boastful, never cold. Pride with integrity, strength in stride. You move with heaven's rhythm, God's love as your guide. Chayai Angel, let the whole world know your name. Chayai Rumbidzai, you've got that lioness flame. You're a virtuous woman, standing tall with heaven's crown. So let's celebrate you, it's your moment, don't back down. We train side by side, same mentor, same ground. I still hear us laughing when Dad played that sound. Sizo bambele la kusoi si bamba, no. Joy and dance and truth with no shadow. And oh, how I love when you speak Chichewa. Malume, you say it heals my stormy weather. Even when I roar in my lion mood, you remind me with calm, Uncle, don't be rude.
It just feels like you are there all the time, but unlike your bestie, more blouse sinks, you tend to avoid putting yourself on the spotlight. You've done so much, even out of sight. Netflix nights, group games, quiz time, fun. Amapiano, mira Afrobeat run with Ibrahim, Isaac, and Kadi by your side. A family complete with love as your guide. Psalm 91 is your sword and shield. Under his wings, forever sealed.
1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You are safe, angel, you are strong,